Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find muted stories on Facebook. So just open your Facebook mobile application here, and for example there is one story here. So if I want to mute, I'll just click and hold, and there's an option of mute this story, right? So until I unmute it. So here if I just click on mute, so as you can see here, the story has been muted. You can instantly unmute it, but this is not the proper solution. If you want to find where the unmuted stories is available, let me show you. So here you have to tap on your profile icon, which is on the top right side corner, then again on the settings bar icon, and here you have to find option of visibility. So this is a visibility. Again, you have to go under the story section here, and basically here you will find all the unmuted stories here. So here you can say stories you muted. So this is a person which I just gave you examples. To unmute it, I'll just click on unmute, and this person is unmute, and this is where you can just find muted stories on Facebook. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.